Welcome, in front of me is a Lenovo TAB M8 and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this device. Now to get started, simply pull down your notifications, extend the list of toggles, and one of those toggles should be a screen recorder. For me, it is right over here. So once you see it, simply tap on it. It will give you a couple options right here. So number one will be the show touches on the screen. If you enable this, it will show a semi-transparent gray dot on your screen recording, and this will indicate wherever your finger was pressing the screen. Now, above that we have the audio recording, and by default it will be turned off, but you can change it to either microphone, device, or both. I'm gonna just keep it off as it is, and from there we can select start. What in the heck was that? Anyway, right now it is recording after this absolutely annoying sound. As you can see, there is this little gray dot following my finger. Now whatever app you will open right now obviously will be recorded. And once you're done with it, simply pull down your notifications and then select Tab to stop. And once it stops recording, you can find your screen recording under Photos, Application, and here we should have a library, Movies, and as you can see it's right over here. And you can see there's this grayish dot that's going to be right here, so that is where my finger was pressing. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.